Guys, how we doing? Thanks for joining for the video. What you're gonna see is a little boat action for a change. We do so much on the kayak that gotta run that boat sometimes, and it was a windy day, so got Jeff with me, little Gary, hit the boat, went out of St. Augustine for just a few hours tops. Some good action. What you're gonna see is Jeff hooking up with a couple good sharks, real good fights. We got a nice big upper slot redfish, caught a couple flounder, some great shots of just the boat itself running, and hope you guys enjoy. So as always, thanks for tuning in, appreciate it, and we'll see you in the video. Thanks guys, bye. I told you, when you dress and look the part, it's gonna happen. It's a red. It is the cleanest, most beautiful red. Look at that, boys. It's all about the neck gaiter and the gloves. I'm trying to tell y'all. Look at that hook set.
Perfect.
Nice little red fish. Got him on a Z-Man. Barely hooked. Look at that.
Oh, right. Is that one? Oh, no voice.
Little rat red. Clean like the water. Incredible blue, isn't he? All right, buddy. We want your daddy or your mama. There he goes. I guess I gotta slow down until you guys catch another one. Let's help him out. All right, Jeff. Good job, brother. That might be a big jack.
Yeah.
Love hearing that drag, though. That's great. Nice. That's a big fish, man. I'm saying shark or jack, or oversized red. Why do we do that? Every time something catches, oh, listen to that, people. Listen to that. Every time someone catches it, you start the immediate guessing game based on the pull. But I'm going shark or jack. Yeah. Let him wear out. Come on, baby. He's gonna go on another run here, isn't he? Let me get a glimpse of him. Come on. Nice. All right, we should get a glimpse. Should get a glimpse. Don't force it. Don't force it. Oh, he ain't happy. He ain't happy. He saw the boat. I've caught a drum here, but not on that mud minnow. Nah, I'm going with my original shark. Shark. You can. Unless he's gonna... We can get him unhooked though. I got pliers. Yeah, it's a shark or... A shark's arm, man, they fight. They just fight so good. Just watch your hands, Gare, when he comes in, please. Let me get you some pliers. All right, Jaws. You want a picture, Jeff, of Jaws? Don't do it. Nice little shark, guys. Let's send him home. He's gonna be a happy camper. Yeah. There he goes. Good job. Fish on, baby. Yeah? Fighter?
Yeah.
Nice red, Jeff. Nice red. Patience, baby. Very nice. Flounder, baby. Coming at you. Coming at you. Nice, Jeffrey. Good. Looks like a keeper, too. 15, right?
Yeah,
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Little flounder, baby. Love catching these. Let me close on the artificial. Looky there. Jeff jumps up in my spot because I got a flounder in my hand. Yeah, got a little, feels like a flounder. Biggie. Right here, bro, right here. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Woo, a little storm brewing up.
I don't know what you do.
Thank you, bro. What you do is you put them in your belly. I got him on a gulp swimming mullet. You know what I said to myself? I'm being dead serious. Where those oysters ended and that mudslide kind of is, I said, I bet there's a flounder sitting right there. I'm telling you, I did. And the second it landed, I felt the thud. That little guy right there. Nice. It is. Crazy creatures, aren't they? Two eyes on one side. When they're young, they got eyes on both sides, and then as they get older, they get the two eyes right there. Lay like this and swim like that. Blend in with the bottom. You get 4 fillets off these. Yep.
Oh, from both sides.
Yeah, you fillet down the middle of the bone, of the backbone. You get a fillet from here, and then you repeat the process and do it on the other side. When you get them big 20 inchers, oh, they're really good. Huh? Gonna take it back? Alright, good. I'm coming. You got it? Here. He's coming around the boat, ain't he? Coming to the other side. Good job. He's gonna run when he sees that boat. Oh yeah, knew it. He's coming to the surf. Come on, baby. Nice run. Jeff might have dual 25s today. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness, another shark. God, I got excited. That was a red.